welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is ijeoma.diana.igboeli's channel. Guys, for my returning subscribers, for my subscribers who are subscribed to this channel, thanks so much. I appreciate, I'm really thankful. Then for those who have not subscribed, I don't know, some people might not like this content, but if you like this content and you've not subscribed to my channel and it encourages me to put out more content, please do subscribe and also click the notification bell to get a quick update whenever I upload my videos. So guys, today's video I'm gonna be talking about this Ashanti scrub. Ashanti scrub. Let me bring it closer. This Ashanti scrub, like, I'm a nursing mother, and most people, when you give birth, your skin doesn't remain the same, and it's very difficult for you to come back to your normal skin after birth. Yes, I'm a nursing mother, but at least my skin is glowing, seriously, because though it's not easy for you to get your skin back, yes, it's not easy. Most nursing mothers, it's not easy to get your skin back, most especially to get your neck and your face, you know, those discoloration that have happened during birth time. But guys, I'm going to be telling you guys today one of the things I have used that have helped me in this journey. So this is called turmeric, ginger, salt, honey plus collagen Ashanti scrub. Guys, this scrub is, let's say, is a life changer. Yes, this scrub has really helped me a lot. I use it before bathing, yeah, so that the soap I use is to penetrate into my skin so well after scrubbing. This scrub, whenever you use this scrub, you feel that smoothness, that glow. Seriously, your body will kind of smooth, because actually this salt is, I wouldn't encourage this salt to be used on the face, but I encourage it to be used on from the neck downwards to your toes. Yeah, because it contains salt, and salt tends to be kind of harsh, so some people might use it on their face and it won't affect them, it won't burn them. But some people have a sensitive skin that you might use on your face and it will burn your skin, and once you have that pigmentation, for you to get your skin back will be difficult. So just avoid things that will give you pigmentation. So this scrub contains, the main ingredient in this scrub here is turmeric, ginger, we have turmeric extract, we have ginger extract, honey and collagen, glycerin, also glycerin sodium. Yeah, and we all know that turmeric is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. It's an anti-inflammatory ingredient, so it's good for hyperpigmentation. Yeah, and also it's also rich in antioxidants. It will give you that glow. It will also reduce the amount of pigmentation, sunburn, because I can remember during that time I was pregnant, I had it also helps in discoloration too. Turmeric is a great skincare. Most skincare brands now make use of turmeric, like it does wonders. Turmeric, I love it, turmeric, because turmeric is really great. It's an antioxidant and also an anti-inflammatory substance. Yes, it cures pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, so it's a good ingredient. And ginger also is an anti-inflammatory substance. Yes, it's anti-inflammatory, but I don't really know much about the work of ginger, but I know it's anti-inflammatory. Yeah, we all know that honey reduces those dark spots. Yeah, honey is one of the I don't know, you should know that honey is used in most skincare brands now. Honey is used, like it's used in most skincare brands, and it's very, very useful. Yeah. So what else again? Glycerin. Glycerin is used for moisturization. It's used to moisturize your body so that to prevent that dryness and to enhance that glow, because we all want to glow this season. As for me, I want to glow, I want to glow. Like when you see me, that glow just blind your eyes. Yeah, that is what I want. So yeah, and for you to know the original, because most times these skincare brands, before when they know that this particular brand is paving way, people tend to do a fake of that particular product. Please, whenever you want to get a product, make sure, and I repeat, make sure you always look for the original, because if you buy the fake, because to get your skin back will be difficult, it takes time. So to prevent that, you need to get a product that's original. Yes, don't go and make sure you buy it from a trusted cosmetic shop. Yeah, if you don't trust the cosmetic shop, please don't buy, because if you get your skin burn, if you spoil your skin, they said to be forewarned is beforehand. Please, prevention is better than cure. Please try to get the original so that you won't start treating your skin from hyperpigmentation, sunburn, whatsoever. Please try to prevent that. Yes. So this is it actually comes in a wrapped nylon. Yeah, I removed the nylon. This is how it comes into a wrapped nylon like this. And let me open it. Can you guys hear this sound? The salt. Yeah, this is it, and it comes like this. It has a cover, a transparent cover like this. This is how it came. And you can see that it's already used already. Yeah, I don't know. Let me just some entered my mouth. I want to place this thing on my hand so that you can hear the effects. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the salt. Just imagine. But this product, I wouldn't lie, is so nice. It's so nice. And though in the direction they said turmeric and ginger and Ashanti salt just like a regular soap and rinse off with water. Use daily and your body will look and feel fantastic. They said you should use daily, but I wouldn't advise to use daily, so that because the salt can be sensitive if you use it daily. I will advise you exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. It's okay, 2 to 3 times a week maximum. Don't exfoliate every day, so that you won't take out your natural oils from your body. Don't exfoliate every day. Yeah, I will advise that. So they said you should use daily, but don't use it daily. Yeah, because this thing is, they said, is specially developed with natural herbal and fruit extract that will revitalize and rejuvenate your skin, leaving your body looking and feeling fantastic. It's made in Thailand. Yes, I want you guys to see how it is. It has so many different variants. It has so many different variants. Anyway, this one is the honey and collagen turmeric Ashanti salt spa scrub. Yeah, so this is how this one looks like. Yeah. Please make sure you get the original. Please. I have always said this, because I wouldn't want someone to start complaining under the comment section and start saying I used it and something happened. It might not be the original. Please try to get the original to avoid story that touches the heart, to avoid start clearing up your skin infections and the rest of them. So guys, thank you. This is the review of the Ashanti turmeric ginger salt spa scrub. So guys, if you want me to do any review on any skincare product, you can just comment, you can just write it down in the comment section. I will, even though I don't reply that same day, whenever I see your comment, I'm going to reply and make a review about the product in any of my videos. So at this point, thank you so much for watching, and if not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the red subscribe button. It doesn't involve any money at all, it's free. Just click the subscribe button, the red subscribe button below, and click the notification bell to get updated whenever I upload my videos. So thank you.